There it is. Thank you, Nick. So I have a few questions for you regarding your experience with us.
Okay.
Um, and they'll be very short and sweet and simple. I'm just excited to know your experience with us from start to this point. And the first question for you is, what was your absolute biggest challenge prior to getting your own VA and working with us?
Yeah, our biggest problem was I have a business partner, Adam Upchurch. Our biggest problem was consistently being able to cold call because we are, it's just two of us, and so we were cold calling, but it wasn't consistent every day. That was our biggest challenge by far because we were just stretched so thin with working on warmer, hot leads, also, finding new properties to add and things like that. Because we do driving for dollars. We don't just pull lists. So we're out driving to add distressed properties and
Mm,
yeah. So that's yeah, just consistently being able to cold call was our biggest challenge.
I understand. I understand. And how did that challenge make you feel?
Um, it just made us feel like we weren't running our business as efficiently as we could be.
Yeah, I understand.
Mhm.
Especially, yeah, like being an entrepreneur is something that I feel nobody teaches us,
Yeah.
right?
Mhm.
Yeah. And what changed after joining REI call center and getting your own VA?
It just freed up a lot more time because we knew that we would have someone, doing the cold calls. Um, and then we would just have to follow up with people that they talked to. So we just had a lot more time to focus on other things.
Yeah. And what specific results can you share?
Yeah, so we haven't closed anything from one of the VA leads yet. I think we're close on a few, but we're just the biggest results is just having a lot more like real conversations and having someone that can, filter out real leads from just prospects. And I think that's been the best thing so far.
Perfect. Perfect, Nick. Um, and what would you say to somebody that's on the fence of getting their own VA and joining REI call center?
Um, I would say that it's very much worth it to have, someone helping you run not well helping you perform your business operations, outside of the time that you have. It's been really beneficial to us to save that time to not have to be on the Mojo dialer or Zen call dialer ourselves, just because it's time consuming.
Yeah, yeah, perfect. Um, and do you have anything else that you'd like to add?
um no, I don't think so. I mean, I think that you all provide a lot of value outside of just the VA cold caller. There's, office hours, there's other things that we're allowed to attend, like the micro tribe. So you guys really seem to care about getting results for people.
Can you share a little more about that, the micro tribe?
Yeah, so Felipe, I think, and Diego have these rat race to FI micro tribes, and one's for wholesaling, and it costs money, but people who are part of this program get to join that for free.
Yeah, yeah. And how does that make you feel to have like a group where you can go through your journey not by yourself and with
Yeah,
support?
no, I think it's very helpful because, chances are whatever scenario pops up, someone else has experienced the same thing, so you can learn how they worked through that. Or if you're having trouble getting, results, then you can talk to other people and figure out what's working for them.
Beautiful. Perfect. Have you noticed any kind of change, not only like in your business, but within you and your partner and how you approach the business?
Um, yes and no. I think we just I don't know. I mean, because it's like not like our process hasn't changed too much. We just have someone else helping us with the most time consuming things. So I mean, yeah, things have changed, but our approach to everything hasn't. I don't think that's a very good answer, but
No, that's great. I get it. I get it. Um, Perfect. No, that's great. So beautiful. I think we finished just in time. Do you grant permission for us to feature this testimonial as one of our marketing materials? It won't be like the whole thing,
yeah,
but
sure.
yeah, perfect, perfect. I appreciate your time, Nick. Thank you
Yeah,
so
no
much.
problem. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Bye bye.